Hello class, this is a trigonometric question, so let's solve it without wasting any much time. You see, it is given that sine x is equals to 5 over 13 within the range of 0 is less than x or less than 90 degree. You get it? So we know that from trigonometric identities, tan x is equals to what? Sine x all over what? All over cos x. You get it? And we also know that what? Sine square x plus what? Cos square x is equals to 1. You get it? So therefore it's so we already have sine x, so let's try and get cos x. So my cos square x is 1 minus sine square x, that is if I make cos x the subject, and what we are looking for is what? Is cos x. Cos x is now going to be the square root of 1 minus sine square x. You get it? That is when you take the square root of both sides like this. This 2 will cancel the square root, so we now have cos x is square root of 1 minus our sine x is given from the question, which is 5 over 10, sorry 5 over what? 13, which is what? Square. So we have cos x is square root of 1 minus 5 square is 25, 13 square is 169. So if we take the LCM of both sides, we now have 169. So 1 into 169 is 169 times 1. We have what? 169. 169 into 169 is 1 times 25. We have 25. And 169 minus 25 is 144 all over 169. So we now have cos x is equals to what? The square root of what? 144 all over 169. And the square root of 144 is 12. The square root of 169 is what? Is 13. So we now have cos x. So our cos x minus 2 sine x all over what? 2 tan x is now going to be, if I'm inputting the value of x, cos x, we have 12 over 13 minus 2 bracket sine x is 5 over 13. We get it all over 2 tan x, but our tan x is what? Is sine x all over what? All over cos x. You get it? So in that case we now have 12 all over 13 minus 2 bracket 5 all over 13. Let me put it to be division. So we now have 2 bracket sine x is 5 over 13, and our cos x is now 12 over 13. You get it? So we now have 12 all over 13 minus 2 times 5, we have 10 all over 13 divided by 2 bracket 5 over 13. This is also a division, 12 all over 13. You get it? So we now have a LCM is 13. 13 into 13, we can say we have 1 times 12 is 12. 13 into 13 is 1 times 10 is 10. You get it? Divided by 2 bracket 5 all over 13. This will go up and this will come down. So 13 here 1, 13 here 1. So we are left with what? We are now left with 12 times 12 minus 10 to give us 2 all over 13 divided by 2 bracket 5 times 1 is 5 all over 1 times 12 is 12. So we now have 12 all over 13. This times divided by 2 times 5 is 10 all over what? 10 all over 12. 2 here is 5, 2 here is 6. So we can now have 12 all over 13 times 6. Once I'm transforming to times, the denominator will go up and the numerator will come down. So we now have 12 over 13. Okay, here it's now 2. We now have 2, not 12. 2, because here you see 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 times 6, we now have what? 12. And 13 times 5 is what? Is 65. So this is going to be our final answer if you look at it critically. See, 12 over, so here it's not going to be, it's going to be 2, not 12. It's going to be 2 divided by, so we now have 2 all over 13 times, you see, since it's division, 6 will go up, and what, since we are from broad mass, we are transformed from division to times. So our correct answer is what? 12 over 65. Thank you.